Another independent walk-around brought to you by livecars.com.
Today we're at MHC Concord doing a walk around on a 2013 Kenworth T660. We're going to start our walk around right up front, taking a look at the steer tires. Tires up front have excellent tread. As we come around the truck, we're just going to tell you a little bit more about it. This truck has an 86-inch studio sleeper. It's a raised roof, double bunk. Got a 100-gallon fuel tank right and left. 13,000-pound front axles, 40,000-pound rear, and it does have an air-assisted fifth wheel. As we get around behind the cab now, just take a quick shot of these tires. You do have aluminum inners and outers. And we'll zoom in here and show you the tread on those. Great set of tires there, a lot of tread left. This truck is powered by a Cummis ISX15. It's a 450 horsepower motor, and it's pushed by a 13-speed Eaton Fuller transmission. Well maintained, very clean interior and exterior. As we get back around to the front, you'll notice the hood mirrors have been added for a little additional safety, and we'll go ahead and fire it up. Crawling up inside the truck. We get up here, we'll take a look at the seating surface. Couple little spots there in the driver's seat, nothing major. Mileage is 453,744. All your instruments and gauges, everything's lit up and working. We did check the air, blowing cold. Look over the passenger seat. Again, the interior has been very well maintained. You'll notice as we crawl in the sleeper. Looking inside this studio sleeper, a lot of space back here. You do have shelving on top of both sets of cabinets, driver and passenger side. As we get a little light in here, you can see nice deep cabinet storage. It does have hanging space as well. Good shelving unit there. And then we do have two pull-out drawers on the driver's side. Your rear air controls also sit on the driver's side here. Getting over to the passenger side of the sleeper. Again, we'll light it up here, show you the inside. You do have a power point here for a refrigerator. And then on top of this stack of cabinets, there is a power point for a television. As we look in the cabinet now, we've got a little light on it. Again, you do get some hanging storage on the passenger side as well. And that is going to wrap up your 2013 Kenworth T660.